Yeah, magandang araw. Basadin, Singapore. Let's do it, everybody. Chinese one, yeah. Yeah. Gonna take about a few minutes.
Bugoy na koy number 31. Yang katamaran mo pag di mo ma-convert iwan. Sa aking mga combo, di mo mahabol. Di mo na ako makita kahit may idol. Buhay ko nilalaro para mag-sins.
Hey. It's okay to fold? No.
No. Like this. Like this, okay.
Alright, thank you. Alright, you got rubber band. Oh, too many rubber band. You have too many money.
You need?
Yeah, give me money.
You want to go on top?
Yeah, I want it.
Pay money.
How much?
I think it's $25.
Per head?
Yes.
Alright.
$25? Bye, my friend.
Yeah!
Yeah.
So we're back again. So ito yung second time around ko sa Singapore. Sama kayo ng tropa. Nasaan kami ngayon? Marina Mall. Saan? Shopping spree. Yeah.
Mamasyal din.
Yo, order na. Alright. Sada Shopee. Yo! Order na. Open for resale. Ano for resident na natin? Ito men's. Wala ito. Ayan, so yun lang. Parang wala lang, no? Ayan. Bilit niya. Ito. Mga formal nila, no? Normal the price, but if you get the limited edition. So why are we talking about limited editions? Ang bakit so ano?
Hello.
Men's will be downstairs, yeah, if you're looking for men's. You can check your stairs.
Tama na wala kang PV, so ano PV, so kasi ito yung akin, pababaya akin, di ba? Pababaya akin eh. Pero same kasi naman. Iba yung mo. Dapat ang Prada ko. Yeah!
Saan ka bumili ng Prada?
Ito, Singapore.
Saan?
Singapore. Yun na. Gastos! Let's go, man.
This is all the
Sorry. Kalalabas ko lang.
Kamusta dyan? Merong sale?
Mataas ang value, 218.
Okay, di. Para tayo natin tanong.
Kunin ko na, tapos baka ka lang ha.
baka magbago isip. Sige, no? I-message kita, tingin ko lang.
Thank you so much, Mario sa'yo.
Mag-ingat ka, no?
Joe, pinapalas ito ng Pilipinas. Pinoconvince ko kung saan Japan. Para magpunta ka na kasi yung ako dun.